Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, we are going to learn about Radix sort, a unique and efficient sort algorithm that doesn't rely on comparisons. Instead, it sorts number by processing individual digits. Let's dive in. Radix sort is useful for sorting integers and strings and is a non-comparative algorithm. It means doesn't compare elements directly. Also, Radix sort works by processing digits from the least significant digits, it means LSD, to the most significant digit. It uses a stable sorting algorithms like counting sort to sort numbers based on each digits. So, um, to process one digit at a time, start from the rightmost digit. After sorting by all digits, the array is fully sorted. So let's see how this Radix sort is. So let's see how Radix sort is. So we are getting 8 numbers and index is equal to 7 and elements we getting 8. Before we sort, we have to put all the numbers in equal digits because the most significant numbers have 3 digits. You see 802, and we have to put other numbers also equals to 3 digits. For that, we are adding 0 left sides of the elements. In every elements, we have to keep 3 elements, and next we have to get first place. It means first place of the number. First place means we have 10th place, first place, 10th place, 100th place, like this. Then we mark, and in the below the array for the count. From this we are getting a count, and first we are sort from uh, right to left. In every time we are sort the numbers from right to left. You see in the seventh index have the last number is 6. Then we are move into this sixth index and mark as well. Then we are moving to the next. Then this last number is 2 and move, and second index mark as well. Then move to next index item is 4. Then we move into the fourth index mark, and we move to the next and mark 2, and in previous equals to 1, then 1 plus 1 2. The next is 0 0, next is 5 is 0 0 plus 1 1, and also we made 5 5 plus 1 2. Then in final 0 zeroth index have 1 1 plus 1 2. Then we are getting an count. Already we are getting an count. Then we are getting an updated count like this. We are getting 2 as the zeroth index 2, and in the previous counts of the first element we are adding them. 2 plus 0 2. 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 0 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 8. Okay, now we are getting in the updated count. So next we have to compare updated count with the the array. We are not compare the previous count with the array. Now we are compare updated array with updated count with array. So also we check 6 in the sixth place, and that's the in the updated count is 8. No, 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then we can find seventh index under, when we put 066 into the seventh index. Then next last element is 2. We move into the second element, and it's equals to 4. And 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then we move to third index, and we put 002. Likewise, we have to complete uh, every index of the array. So this is the final wave of completing first first place of the array. We are doing we are counting for the first place. Okay. Next we have to move to the find count for 10th place. In previous one we are find count first place, and then now we have to find count for 10th place. To getting count for 10th place, we are getting the number of array that we are again the previous one from the previous one. So let's calculate it also. Here is the numbers get when sorting first place of the array. This is in the first row. It's not display the previous. I mean our initial number array. This is the sorted array for the first place. Now we are going to sort for second. This also like the first place, but we have to in the first phase we are looking for the first element. No? In this we are looking for second, like 0, 7, 4, 2, 0, like this. Okay. Also we are checking from right to left. Then uh, then also we have to check with 6 6 6 the second element it in the sixth element, and we put as 1, and also check with 7, also check with 4, 2, 0, 0, 9. When I going to put 9, I also have the problem. We asked to put 9. We have to, but because we have only 7, we have only 7 index to pick, but 9 is greater than 7. But 9 is the 7 is the so much close. 7 is the next to 9. The it means the closest number close to 9 is 7. So let's put 9 in 7 and as count 1. This video also like the previous one, and check with the second value and check with the updated value and put the numbers in here. In the below, here's the updated value for the second place. So let's see how the numbers are updated for third. It means 100 place. In the below, here's the updated value for the second place. So let's see how 100 place is also the previous ones. We are getting the number of array um, calculating from the previous, not the initial number of, not the initial numbers. We're getting the numbers from doing second, and also like the previous ones, we checks index and the numbers. 100 place is also the previous ones. We are getting the number of array um, calculating from the previous, not the initial number of, not the initial numbers. We're getting the numbers from doing second, and also like the previous ones, we checks index and the numbers. 100 place is also the previous ones. We are getting the number of array um, calculating from the previous, not the initial number of, not the initial numbers. We're getting the numbers from doing second, and also like the previous ones, we checks index and the numbers. 100 place is also the previous ones. We are getting the number of array um, calculating from the previous, not the initial number of, not the initial numbers. We're getting the numbers from doing second, and also like the previous. So this is the final wave of the Radix sort, and also this prove uh, more significant value is in the right side, and the least significant uh, value is in the left side. Also, it's sorted less least significance to more significance. So I think you're getting an idea how Radix sort is implemented. Okay, let's move to the code part. So let's see how the Radix sort code is written. This is not the complete code. I am write this for getting an idea. Uh, in I implement Radix sort and pass the array values from denote the array, and from n number of elements. And we have to get the maximum of elements from get max. I get the maximum of elements and pass the array again, and the number of elements have the radix. So then I get the for loop, and from the we have to implement the variable name called pos. Also the variable is equals to 1, and max means the number of elements the sort have. We have to divide max by the variable, and that should be greater than to 0. Then variable how to we have to multiply it by 10. So tell me why you are multiple it by 10? Because we are because we are making sort for the 10th place. It means that in the first when we are sorting the array, when you are counting, we are check for the first place, and secondly we are checking for the 10th place, and finally we are count for the 100th place. Also, I want to telling you why we are checking counts for only the 100 place. Because in our most significant number have only 3 digits. Think in of your most significant number have 4 digits. You have to count for the thousands place also. So okay, let's move to the code. Then we get an account for the sort. Then we execute the loop. Uh, then telling you how the number is calculated. Get in our example 802 is the maximum number. So first we have to divide it by 802 by 1, because we are checking for the first place now, and we are dividing it by 1. Now then max means 102, max means 802 divided by post means firstly we had post equals to 1, and when what's the answer? 802 divided by 1. Also the 802. Yes, it is greater than 0. Then secondly we are checking for the 10th place. Then 802 divided by 10 place equals to 80. In this third, in the 100th place, we have to divide 802 by 100. It is equals to 0.8. That means it's also greater than 0. Then we can divide by 0.8 by 1000. That's less than 0 now. Then we can say radix of is so. I think you all are getting a simple idea about the radix sort now. Okay, so let's see applications used in radix sort. One of the example is database systems. Databases are indexing and searching by radix sorts, and also sorting integers is also used. It's efficient for sorting large data sets of integers. And finally, I want to telling you some key points of gain in the Radix sorts. Radix sorts is a non-comparative sorting algorithm. It processes digits from least significant digits to the most significant digits. It uses stable sorting algorithms like counting sorts to sort based on each digit. Okay. If you found these explanations helpful, please give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on data structures and algorithms. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. So, see you in next video.